Hi, Susan. Did your new Spanish class start today?
Hi, Steve. Yeah, it was great fun. Hola.
Hey, you learned something already. So tell me about the other students.
Well, first, I want to tell you about the teacher. She's crazy. Her name is Maria, and she's from Malaga in the south of Spain. She's about 35 years old and is a really friendly person. She's very funny. It's difficult to understand her accent sometimes, but I'm sure it will get easier.
How many students are there in the class?
Oh, about 12, I think. Everyone is about the same age, so that's great.
Where are you doing the lessons? Are you at the college near the tennis club?
No, we're at the town library. We're using a small room at the library, so it's really quiet, and all the books are right there.
Are the other students all American?
Most of them are, yes. I met your mother's friend, Rosemary.
Rosemary? Who's she?
That friend your mother plays tennis with sometimes.
Oh, Rosemarie. Why is she learning Spanish? She speaks Italian and French already.
Well, maybe she wants to be multilingual. She speaks really well. I feel so stupid in that class, and that's after just one lesson.